If you want to keep the conversation going, no matter how great or not so great it's going, one thing you can do is just repeat the last word that they say. They're saying like, oh, you know what, we're not interested in selling the house, everything's horrible, and we really just don't like the economy right now. And I'll be like, really, the economy? And they're like, yeah, because the economy is just, up and down, you never know what to do, and the beach, and this weather is terrible. And I'm like, really, terrible? Terrible weather? Yeah, we got hurricanes, and then we got people coming, the families coming from New York, and New York? Yeah, because my wife's, and all you're doing is saying the last word or the last couple of words of their sentence. That is huge because it creates two things. Number one, the person who's talking, they feel like you were actually listening. And number two, they feel like you care. They feel like, oh, this person wants to know more about this. People want to be listened to. So with a lot of these prospects, whether you're in real estate or anything else, when people feel listened to, they love you. They love to hear themselves talk. And practice this at home, with your wife, with your husband, with your friends, with your kids. Every time you tell you a story, I do this all the time, it's funny. Have them tell you a story and then just repeat the last word. Be like, to the mall? Yeah, we're going to the mall, because people will just keep talking and providing you information, which then you can use to your advantage. So if there's one takeaway from this video, is repeat the last word or the last couple of words from whatever they just told you. People will love you. If you want to try Vulcan 7, I love them. I've used them before. I've gotten listings with them. I love their interface. I love their customer service. You name it. If you want to try them out, I'm going to leave a affiliate link, in the description. Usually with that link, you get some sort of promo. Sometimes every month, sometimes a discount, whatever. Give them a shot. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Otherwise, link in the description. Stay tuned for more, and send this to anybody else you think might be interested in these kind of tips, whether someone from your team, from your office, your family. All right, stay tuned for more.